Good morning, YouTube. It's me again, Technician James. Today we are over fixing a best aerobic treatment unit and we're straightening out the pipes. We can't get this tank to flow properly because the pipe wasn't installed properly. So if you look at that right there, you see where that bubble is? That's supposed to be level, like so. That means this right here has to go down about a good 2 inches, and then your water level won't be this high. We'll show you everything after we get it all straightened out, and you can see how we make this work a lot better. By the way, you can also catch us on our new website, wsmg1.com. We'll be releasing this soon and be selling a lot of products on there for both septic systems and water systems. So we'll be back here in just a little bit to show you our results. We're all done with our pipe installation here. We went from the back of the ATU BEST system to the pump station. Let's see how we did. Well, pretty pleased with that. I always try to make this dead nuts on, even perfect. Let's take a look at this big pipe right here. Perfect. Just enough fall on it for everything to go. I like this. This looks really good. Now we won't have any problems. And if you look in the tank, you can see that that level is down quite significantly to what it was. This is perfect working level. Before it was just not good.